Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 14th, and this is my recap of the top rated videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar did have another good push up today, which was very expected. Nice, perfect little ABC correction. The pound did initially make a big push down, but really it was just a bear trap and then a nice continuation of the uptrend. We definitely do have 5 waves up. We are getting closer to a fib level. We do have CPI news tomorrow, so if this looks anything like this prior to the news tomorrow, then I would say that tomorrow's CPI news is actually probably pretty likely to cause a big push down, maybe even a correction to this whole move up. Or if this does something like this between now and tomorrow's news, then I would say that there's probably a pretty good chance it'll just keep on going up. So we definitely want to reevaluate this tomorrow afternoon before the news, but right now, if this really is the end of a correction, then the trend may just keep on trending up. This could even be a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. Like I said, if it looks like this prior to the news, then it makes it break a structure to the downside at the news. I would say that probably would be a really good sorting opportunity. So we just have to pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, and we should be able to know what to expect at tomorrow's CPI news. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I say with the group at the time of entry by joining my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.